Good evening, parents. Sometimes we provide an audio for students that accompany their exit tickets or tests or quizzes. This is a sample of what we would do. Parent Garden questionnaire. Your email address. Full name of your child. Type your answer here. Parent number 1, guardian full name. Best number to reach a parent. Parent email, please indicate which parent goes with each email, if there's additional emails than the one listed in the beginning. Have you joined my Remind message group for your child? Click yes or no. If you click no, you'll be prompted to a link so you can see the Remind codes, which are listed on our Cycle app. Please list any other information that you believe I should know at this time that may help me deliver the best possible experience for your child. And then you submit.